I'm Carol Scott, with Scott Cycles. Today I'm going to show you how to take apart, properly clean all the jets and rebuild a 930 Amal Concentric 932 carburetor. This is for a 1969 Triumph TR6R. And what I'm going to do first is show you what it looks like now. No, the grungy stuff. Okay. It's going to... I'm going to give this an ultrasonic bath, so it'll get into all the jets in the inside. But I'm still going to show you how to do the jet that's inside with the wire needle, and the best way to check to make sure that jet, the one that you cannot get to any other way, that's inside the body of the carburetor. The one on the other side of this screw right here. This pointy screw, the pilot jet. Or, I'm sorry, pilot air screw. This is the drain bolt right here. Sorry. Drain bolt. Take that off first. And then let's take off the float bolt. Normally, these two screws would be, for stock, it'd be Phillips screws, but this customer has his little fancy Allen bolts. That's alright. Allen screws. No worries. Quarter-inch nut driver, and for this side a quarter-inch screw, because the nut driver don't fit. Wrong way. Goodness. Let me pause. It is going to take a bit. Okay, we're back. Alright, got this little bit out. Okay. Okay, he has the original float, not the stay float that come with the new ones. Let's see what it is. Might not be too bad. Okay, can you see that? Oh, it is flush. I got my thumb right here and right here. So you can see that properly. Right here and right here. So my fingers are not touching the plastic at all, only the metal bar that you can see right here and right here. Okay, to test because that's what it's hinged on, to see where the level is. And this is perfect, so we don't have to change that. Can you see that? I hope so. It is flush. Generally, I'd like it to go in a tiny bit, but this is good too. This is quite good. Okay, so I just need a good cleaning of this. And, oh, of course I forgot. Putty knife. Pause for a second. I forgot the tool. Pause. Wait. Nope. Okay, and so I got the putty knife I should have gotten earlier. Now I want to scrape off this gasket so I can get this out. Let's see what I'm doing here. Okay. No. Okay. Okay. I'm back again. Sorry about that. I had to pause you again. I had a faux pas with my glove. Okay, so now we get the gasket off of here as well. That's already loose. Okay, all that. Okay, next, let's take this out. Okay, this is, so you know, this is the float needle. You can see that. Maybe not, maybe like that. Okay. That's the Viton tip float needle. Let me turn it backwards so you can see better. You can see that. Okay. And probably see black against my skin better. Viton tip float needle. And the newer floats are have a metal piece right here. This part's metal, so you can just bend it if you need to adjust it. But if this is in the right position, you're okay. So I think we're okay with this one. this is what this looks like on the inside now. You can see that. Okay, I'm going to show you what it looks like after the ultrasonic bath. Now I take off, this is the main jet and the nut, the union, I call it a union nut that connects this and the needle jet. And let's take this off, quarter W wrench, quarter Wentworth. I like to put it flat down here and boop, there we go. Get that out. This is the 106 needle jet and 230 main jet. Beautiful. This is stock for that bike, the 1969 Triumph TR6R. Okay, and now I'm going to take these out. What is this? The pilot. This is the slide screw. Slide screw. Yep. This is the screw for the slide. If you can see this one, it goes. It's at an angle, okay? So it controls the slide that goes in here. It controls, like, there's a little, you can see that gap right there, that little wedge. That's where this anchors, you know, where this slide goes. It controls how far it goes up or down. That controls the flow of the fuel, right? Yep. And this one right here, the horizontal one, is the pilot jet adjuster screw. Yeah, that controls how much with the fuel air mixture. Yeah, see that one right there. You see better. Okay, and this one. These normally are a little bit different, but these are work just beautifully as well too. See, there's an O-ring. Both of them have this O-ring right there. Can you see that in the center? That's where it meets inside. These ones are just so you can use it without a screwdriver. You can adjust it when you're on the side of the road. You can manually turn it. The other ones, the original ones from stock, are just screwdriver only, for tiny screwdrivers at that. So, okay, so we got all that out. So here's this now. Oh, let me get this off too. Anyway, I'll get that off camera. That O-ring right here, I'm going to be getting that off camera because that is flattened in there pretty good, if you can see. And I'm going to put all of this, including the manifold, into the ultrasonic bath, and we'll be back shortly to show you how beautiful it looks and how to put it back together and to clean the jets with the wire needle and my special trick that I learned from my dad, Wes Scott, on how to make sure the inside jet is clear. Easiest, fastest thing you will ever believe. Okay, see you soon.